Metaphysical Books, Part 3.1, Permanent Healing, by Dr. Daniel Condren.
As you think, so you become. The subconscious and conscious minds are two halves to a whole, working together to create your reality. The duty of the subconscious mind is to manifest the desires of the conscious mind. The only way that it knows those desires are the thoughts that fill your conscious mind the most. This book details the thought behind any type of illness, disorder, or disease, and the thought that will produce its remedy. The universal law of cause and effect. Thought is cause, and the physical manifestation of that thought is the effect. So we can see here, the thought cause behind knee issues is refusing to cooperate with earlier learning and desires of the self, fighting self and others, holding back from fulfilling desires, thinking self incapable of fulfilling desires. Also stiff knees, being inflexible in one's thoughts and opinions. Now, suggestions for using your mind to help initiate the healing would be: make a commitment to your ideals, cooperate and harmonize with the structures in your life, join an organization and work to become its leader. Choose one limitation you have placed on yourself and overcome it. And for stiff knees, have an open mind about new ideas and opportunities. So with our knees being the joints that allow for mobility and allow for forward movement and progress, we need to make sure that we are using our mind to continue doing that. Be more flexible and more open-minded about things. Take action upon moving forward towards your desires that you have in life. The more that you will do this, then the more that your body will respond, because all of the atoms and cells within your body are listening to every thought that you think. So even though the thoughts may be unconscious and in the back of your mind, if they are the most persistent and they are the ones with the most thought substance behind them, they are the most dense thought and most common thought that you think, then that will be what your body responds to in what it produces. Change your mind and you will change your life. If you do not become the master of your body, then you will always be its slave.